also cause severe health problems. The effects on our planet would be equally dramatic. Oceans, seas and rivers would no longer be bound by gravity's pull. Water would rise from its basins, forming giant floating blobs. These massive water spheres would drift across the planet, wreaking havoc on a global scale. Coastal cities would be the first to experience the devastating consequences. Giant waves, no longer held back by gravity, would surge inland, engulfing everything in their path. Flooding would be catastrophic, reshaping coastlines and leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Rivers would cease to flow in their designated paths. Instead, they would transform into serpentine water masses, meandering across the landscape. The disruption of these vital water sources would have dire consequences for agriculture, ecosystems, and human settlements. The delicate balance of Earth's water cycle would be shattered. The regular patterns of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation would be thrown into disarray. Weather patterns would become unpredictable, leading to extreme weather events worldwide. The human body, finely tuned to Earth's gravity, would struggle to adapt to a gravity-free environment. Our bodies would experience a range of physiological changes, some immediate and others long-term. One of the most immediate effects would be the redistribution of bodily fluids. Without gravity pulling fluids downwards, they would accumulate in the upper body. This would lead to swelling in the face, head, and extremities, causing discomfort and potentially impairing circulation. The cardiovascular system, accustomed to working against gravity to pump blood throughout the body, would also be affected. The heart would have to work harder to circulate blood, potentially leading to heart strain and other cardiovascular problems. Muscles and bones, no longer subjected to the constant pull of gravity, would begin to atrophy. Muscle mass would decrease and bones would weaken, increasing the risk of fractures and other injuries. Long-term exposure to a gravity-free environment could have debilitating effects on the musculoskeletal system. To stay updated with more fascinating content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, the chaos and hindering recovery efforts. Section 5. Gravity